Alright, guys, so I just wanted to come on here and let you guys know that I am super, super excited that I have a crock pot. It's like the older I get, the more like kitchen appliances, just kitchen gadgets I get more excited about. So I'm just super excited to be using my crock pot. As you guys did see that I am going to be making some meatballs, and I'm just so excited because your girl work from home, so any little meal that is going to be less time for me in the kitchen is a plus. So I am most definitely looking for some more crock pot meals. If you guys have any kid-friendly crock pot meals, let me know. I think I'm going to be cooking next some chili. But yeah, I'll be cooking some chili soon. I just want some 8-hour chili. Alright, if you guys are new, thank you so much for clicking on to my video. I hope you guys like my video enough to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys are returning, thank you so much for being so loyal and coming back to see your girl. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you guys do give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment, because I definitely love to respond and write back to you guys. So for this easy meal, I'm just adding my favorite barbecue sauce and jelly. That's it, and let it cook. To be honest, I totally forgot how long I put it in there. I just kept stirring it until my liking, but it was like maybe 2 hours that I let it stay in there. Maybe more, but I totally forgot, and I apologize for that. But they were absolutely delicious. I forgot to show you guys what it looked like at the end. But the kids really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it, and we just definitely love it. So if you guys have any crock pot meals, let your girl know.
You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here, nah, you can't go back home.
I'm dranked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it. I'm dranked up and I'm banked up and I'm faded. You bend it down and you poke it up and you elevate it,
I came over, I ain't sober, I'm still drunk, that's hangover. Might run it back when it's paid.
Alright guys, so just want to stop in for a quick second. As y'all can see, I'm trying to organize this refrigerator. But I just wanted to let y'all know that I bought this from, I think, TJ Maxx. Yeah. It was $4.99. This is for my egg container. Alright, so your girl's trying to get this refrigerator organized. Okay, we need some organization like I told y'all. And something else that I bought from TJ Maxx. Let me see, hold on y'all. Alright guys, and then something else that I did buy from TJ Maxx was this utensil holder. I needed one of these super bad, and I paid for this $7.99, so that wasn't bad. So I'm gonna try to clean my utensil drawer out and make this more organized.
Make you sit right here. Now you can't go back home. You love it when I get so high and drop that thing so low. Make you sit right here. Now you can't go